Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, you're probably looking to make your DoorDash experience more convenient in 2025, especially if you're using EBT benefits for groceries and essentials. EBT, or Electronic Benefits Transfer, allows SNAP recipients to pay for eligible items on platforms like DoorDash, thanks to recent updates. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to add your EBT card seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're eligible. DoorDash has partnered with programs like SNAP to let you use EBT for qualifying food items, but you need to be in a supported area and have a valid EBT card. Start by updating your DoorDash app to the latest 2025 version. Head to your App Store, download the update, and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Account section, usually found in the menu at the bottom of the screen. From there, tap on Payment Methods. You'll see an option to add a new payment type. Look for EBT or Government Benefits in the list. Select that, and you'll be prompted to enter your EBT card details, like the card number and expiration date. Don't worry, DoorDash uses secure encryption for this. After entering your info, you'll need to verify it. This might involve a small test transaction or linking your SNAP account. Once verified, your EBT card will be added and ready to use on eligible orders. Remember, EBT can only be used for SNAP-approved items like groceries, not restaurant meals, so double-check your cart before checkout. A few quick tips. Always keep your app updated for the latest features, and if you run into issues, contact DoorDash support. They're super helpful. Also, monitor your EBT balance to avoid surprises. And that's it. By adding EBT to DoorDash in 2025, you're making shopping easier and more accessible. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and life hacks. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay savvy.